everybody. I'm fixing to go out garage selling. I got my wife Kim with me.
Good morning.
Yeah, so we're excited to head out and go see what treasures we can find. I've got my phone out and I've got the yard sale treasure map. It shows, if you ever use this app, it's called the yard sale. It's called the yard sale treasure map. It'll show a lot of the yard sales and garage sales that are in your area. Doesn't show them all, but those that post and list up on the sites, it'll pop up on here. So we're gonna follow it and see where we're gonna go. See you in a little bit.
See ya.
See what we can go find at this yard sale. It's not very much here, but we'll see. Milk for Santa? Oh yeah, I don't think so. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oop.
Sorry. Yes. Yes. Good. She's inside, so I don't know any other prices. Okay. Okay. Is she coming? Is she coming? La de la cachucha.
Good morning, how you doing?
¿Mande? Que lo de que está adentro tiene un precio. ¿Como el juguete que se vende? Apenas la señora adentro. Nosotros somos de enseguida. Pero yo me imagino que todo está de venta. Oh, perfect. Oh, thank you. Okay, just go through the front door? Yes. Okay.
Inside too?
Are all the plants for sale here?
All the plants. Yes.
Oh, and how much are these?
Those are called cheese miss, and she's selling those $4.
No.
Oh, this is it.
Oh,
Just
oh.
those are extras.
Oh, are these like succulents? You
Yes,
know,
yes.
those are pretty. So all these are $4 a piece?
Yes.
Okay, we can go in the house.
All right.
Hi.
How you doing?
This is very nice.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. You gonna keep this all the time?
No, what we're trying to do is, but while we get the permit every 3 months. Yes.
That's a good idea. And it's close to home.
Yes. And it's inside, it's cozy, and so yeah. Yes. And it's several people
Well, that's
saying
pretty
that.
neat. There's a few things. Expensive. Yeah, they got a name on it or anything. They're pretty.
Oh, here you go.
No treasure. Japan.
Japan. Four of them.
Well, it's supposed to go around. It's supposed to go around a plate or a dish or something.
Oh, okay.
See, like this.
Yeah, that's right.
And I don't know if there's a
A
plate.
vegetable tray or something.
I don't know. Here.
I get a bag. No, I don't. I just transform it. He's driving. What did he get into a car too? Because I can break it. Look. Ah, you get that one.
No, I figured it'd be kind of expensive.
Oh, these are cute. Look. The garden.
Yeah. Yeah. You can ask her if you want. Okay, I saw you were talking to the lady. What'd she say?
Yeah, I gave her one of our business cards, and you know I'm not really good at this, but I guess she's going to have like a business every day, you know, every weekend in her home, and it's really
I thought you
beautiful.
said every 3 months.
Well, she gets her license or whatever that is renewed every 3 months, but she's really got a nice setup in there. It's like an antique store. So I gave her one of our business cards, and I said, we'll give her a shout out. Hey, you know, a mission when she emails her name. I don't know what her business name is. And she said she would also promote our channel, you know.
Well, that's good. That's
yeah.
good. That's always good.
Yeah.
We give out these if people ask what we're doing. They see it. If they see our camera and they wonder what we're doing, or they ask about it, then we have a little YouTube kind of business type card that says that come visit our channel and this is what we do. So
she also said, yeah, we'll help each other, and you know, she's in our community,
yeah.
and I think it would be fun. But she was real nice, and she was real thankful, and I am too. So we'll see what happens.
All right, sounds good. Okay. All right, so we're off to the next one. See y'all there. How much are your printers?
$10. The two for 18.
I'll take them. Thank you. All right, I'll go ahead and put them in there. So I don't know if these are any good or not, but the desktop printers are brand new.
I didn't want to go there. I was thinking for my garden. I always hate to ask to go there.
Hey, look, you go bowling.
Yeah.
Some bowling balls.
Yeah.
Oh, been busy this morning?
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah. You got a lot of good little things. $7 for these?
Yes, it's selling in other stores for 35. That's $7
Okay.
each one.
Huh? Yeah. I don't know. What about your little racers? You said
$5. $4
$5.
for you.
Okay. What about these two?
Northern Festival? Yes. I think this will. Oh my God. $8. $7 for you.
Okay.
I wish I had my Swiffer. I just got rid of it. Because I would have worked on the Swiffer.
Okay.
You know, the little mop. But I have a different one. It's long.
Okay.
Three.
$3.
Yes, $3.
14, 17.
Okay.
I got 10.
So, no, I got.
You good?
Yeah, I think I'm good.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Will you throw that in for 3 and make it an even 20?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. I'll do that then. I like that one. All right.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
No, you're
Good
welcome.
luck today.
Thank you so much.
Let me carry something.
I think I got it.
Got it? Okay.
right, thank
All
you.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm cutting into this video. It's right at the very end, but before you see Kim and what she picked up at the garage sales, I thought I'd show you some of the things that I got. And I'm trying not to show the backside of the camera because we got some other things that we picked up, but you're not going to see that until the next video. So if you want to see the other parts, you got to come back. Over here is what we picked up in this first part of the video. I am editing for the second part of the video, which will come out in a day or two. But from this first video, you're going to see the items that Kim got, and you're going to see this right here. This is a DeskJet 2545 printers. There are 2 of them. They're new. The box is a little beat up. I actually might open this one just to make sure that there's no damage or anything. I don't know about the other one, but they're sealed. And if I sell it, I'll sell it as an open box and a new one. But the comps on those were going for about $35 plus the shipping. The lady said that she'd sell them to me at $10, or sell it to me at $10, and for both of them, she sold them to me for $18. So it'll be a good little flip. Another garage sale. We got a couple of items that Kim picked up, and she'll show you that at the end of this video. And I also picked up this Sharper Image remote control Phantom Racer trike. That came in the bundle along with these 2 Midland all-hazard weather radios. The weather radios are both actually the same. The packaging are different. It's WR100. That's what they are. In the video, the lady said that she'd sell them to me at $7 a piece. She said that they're selling online for $35. Of course, every time somebody says that how much is something selling for, that is, you, without looking, you need to find out if that's what they're saying, if that's they saw the listing prices, or did they actually look in the sold comps to see the sold comps prices. So I looked them up, and sold comps has them going for around $30 with the shipping. So that's about what I'm going to ask for them. And the little sharper image trike, again, that'd probably be about another $20 plus the shipping. But Kim picked up a couple of other items. So the bundle of all that, of those 3 items plus what she got, was a total of $20. Anyway, I'm going to get you back to this video. It's right at the end. But to see what all else we picked up in these garage sales, you have to come back and visit. So thanks for watching, and come on back. See you later. Alright, so we're back in the treasure center. We picked up a few items that on the garage sales, but Kim picked up a couple of things just for her garden area. What else did you find, Kim?
4 little silver decorative items, and they were 4 for $1. And then just a little milk jug, and then I showed you my floppy hat earlier.
And yeah, you got a floppy hat earlier. What's in your arm?
Oh, this is my volunteer t-shirt, and we actually got a bag full of them. So they were, what she said, gave you the whole box for like
I think we got the whole box for $10. I don't know how many's in the box, but probably about 30.
Yeah.
And what are you going to do with that one?
I'm gonna wear it.
You're going to wear it? Why are you going to wear it? Because
we volunteer.
Because we do volunteer stuff in the community that we live in.
Yeah. And thank you. See, I hate being face-to-face camera. I told you that before. So our community that we live in has a flea market twice a year, and all the proceeds go to the upkeep of the park, which is really a blessing because it takes care of the pool, any maintenance, and our fees every year are really low. I mean, when I say low, very low. So everybody that gets rid of stuff, we have a big storage unit. It goes in there, and then it's pulled out in December and March. So we thought these t-shirts would be good for the workers if they want to wear them, or we might sell them. We're just not sure exactly what we have in the box yet. So, all right.
Well, I think that like we said, like Kim said, we're going to go through the box of the shirts. We'll probably keep some for the little park community that we live in, and use them for the different events. And then the rest of them, we'll probably list them up. You know, the lady was going to sell them at 50 cents a piece, and like I said, I got a whole box, and I haven't counted, but the whole box for $10, so I thought that was a good buy. But for now, it's time to go eat some lunch. So see y'all later. Bye.